Hello, everyone. In this tutorial, we'll be diving into MikroTik's firewall and learning how to block specific IP addresses, protocols, and ports practically. This is a crucial security measure to protect your network from unwanted traffic. So, let's get started. First, we'll need to access the firewall section in the MikroTik admin panel. Navigate to the IP section on the left sidebar and select Firewall. To add a new firewall rule, click on the plus icon. This will open a new window where we'll configure our blocking rule. Let's break down the fields. Chain, this determines the point at which the rule is evaluated. For now, we'll choose Input, which means the rule will be applied to incoming traffic. Source address, here, we'll enter the IP address we want to block. Protocol, this specifies the network protocol we want to target. We'll choose ICMP to block ICMP packets, which are often used for ping requests and other network diagnostics. Now, let's move to the Action tab. Here, we'll select Drop to instruct the firewall to discard any packets that match our rule. After clicking OK, our firewall rule will be activated. We can verify this by observing the bytes field in the firewall window. As incoming traffic is blocked, the bytes value will remain low. To further analyze the blocked traffic, we can switch to the Connections tab. Here, we should see a line with the status SAC, indicating that a connection has been terminated due to our firewall rule.